afternoon. How are you all today? You see, I'm gaining weight now. My face is becoming round na. Ako big, heavy. Hello guys! Almost 6 o'clock. It's still bright. But the summer is started already. That's why the morning is longer than the night. Oh no. See, it's windy. Anyway guys, if you like my video, don't forget to like, heart, leave a comment, suggestion. Of course, don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye. There is birthday celebration in the house. Birthday ni Bossy. We have visitors coming. I'm busy today. I have so many clothes to on. This is the elevator. Kasi I'm growing chubby. Nagiging chubby. Oh, good evening guys. Bye. Bye bye.